Today we're going to do a YouTube video talking about how you can use Google Slides. Google Slides is an awesome feature that Google offers to you that is very similar to using PowerPoint. But what I really like about it, especially as a teacher, is that I'm allowed to bring it into the classroom and have the kids work more interactively together. And the project becomes a more collaborative effort. So if you come up to the waffles on top, you'll find Google Slide. It's the yellow icon. And it'll open up and show you that you can start a new presentation. Now, you do have the opportunity to choose here if you want a predetermined layout. However, I really like to just pick a blank slide. You always have the chance to modify your slides once you start your presentation. So I'm going to start with a blank one. And I'm going to label it right away. Just like with everything else with Google, it's going to save automatically, but it's always helpful if you have your projects labeled. So I'm going to label mine animals. And now we can get going. So just like if you were using PowerPoint, you can change your titles of everything. Okay, and on the side, you'll see there's some theme options. Scrolling through, you can select a theme to be consistent with your whole presentation, or you can change the slides for each one of the new slides you add. So I'm going to select this one because it's nice and simple to read. Again, just like if you're using PowerPoint, you're going to come up to slide and you're going to insert a new slide each time you go. So since I said that I was going to do this presentation on animals, I wanted to show you how you can add some features into it. So I already saved a couple of photos to my desktop. I'm going to just quickly show you how you can add some photos and text into each of your slides. So the first photo I'm going to add in is about a lion. I'm just going to make up some information. Okay, and I can just take my photo and I can drag it in. Okay, and resize. Awesome. Another cool thing I want to show you about using Google Slide is it's really, really user-friendly if you want to bring anything else in from the internet. So for example, if I wanted to add in a new slide, and this time I wanted to find something about a baby giraffe, I can insert videos, I can insert links. So for this, I'm going to insert a video. Now it brings you right up to YouTube, or if you already had the URL for a video that you found already, you can just copy and paste that right here. I don't right now, so I'm going to find a video on a baby giraffe and see what YouTube shows me. Obviously, if I was going to be publishing this to send it to my students, I would preview the videos first. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to grab one. I'm going to select it, and it brings the video right into my presentation. Another cool feature I like about this is I can just as easily insert a new slide. If I had some vocab words I was teaching my students as this was going along, I could insert a slide that would link to their vocab flashcard page. I can add vocab insert. I can insert a link, and the link would be for, I use Quizlet all the time with my students. Okay, and I can insert the link here for Quizlet. I'm going to rename it. Okay. Very cool. So if I were to now go and view this, I can go to view, present, and just like if I was in PowerPoint, oh, I should start this from the beginning. And just like if I was in PowerPoint, I'll see each of my slides. I'll click on the next one. My video will play right here. On my next slide, it'll bring me to my link. I can click on the link, and now it'll bring me to my website for Quizlet. Okay, there's so many cool features you can do with this.